Okay, we are in Selinsgrove, Pennsylvania, Snyder County Tractor Pullers. Their first event here. A lot of equipment here. Plenty will be rolling in, so we're going to take a walk around and check it out. First guy on into is Dwayne Martin, the king of Lebanon and Beast of the East. You're live. Say hi, everybody.
Live on Facebook.
No, not yet.
Hello, everybody. How you doing?
You almost had the announcing job tonight, I heard.
So I don't have it now.
No.
Good.
No.
Anyway, I bought one of them things.
Oh, they're fun.
I have it in my truck right now.
There you go. You should be walking around with
So
it.
who's coming in?
I couldn't tell you. Might be hoax.
All right.
Looks like a hoax trailer. Light Pro. Yeah, that's Fred driving. See some case tractors in that trailer. The Hook family out of Shippensburg. I don't know. You're being filmed. Oh, he can talk. Hi, Chris Hoyt. How are you?
Good, Jared. How are
This
you?
is the world famous,
Oh my gosh.
the best running case tractors in the country right here. Chris Hoyt.
I'm not sure about that.
I think so.
I'm not sure about that.
He's not unloaded yet. We'll sneak up here and take a look at it.
Okay, go take a look.
Tractor was just freshened up over the winter. Repainted. Hasn't had it lettered yet. This is the nut case. Pro stock. We'll be making a test run tonight. Check things out. He has a second tractor. Stress case is not together yet this season, waiting on parts. Hopes to be out soon with the second tractor that his son Corey drives. Stunned. Just stunned.
Done?
Lost for words. Yeah. So what do you think, Chris Hoyt? What do you know good?
I'm pretty confident that we'll have stress case running in 2 weeks.
There you go. Good deal.
So it was close last week, but we found a problem with one of the parts, so we sent it back. And
Bad enough you got to wait on them. Then you find problems with them.
gotta send it back. Yeah.
Jeez. Something else. It's shaping up to be a good show tonight. A lot of stuff here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I'm going to take a walk around.
All right.
Hi, Mikey. It's our videographer tonight. John Foreman's hot stock John Deere. Good runner. Gas trucks here tonight. I think they're first class. Kenneman's 2.6 truck, Devil's Hooker. If anything's said up here, I apologize for this crew.
There's a lot to be said.
I want to talk to you. It's all good. You can only go up from there, right? Oh yeah.
He was video.
You've been on the whole time.
I can't talk.
That's okay. I can.
Remember I told you that. I'm not on camera.
It's all good. Yeah, we couldn't get him to come on the show last week. John Mans is just short for words. It's the Gambino truck, Brothers Diesel. Really can't see the screen, so hopefully I'm getting this in good for you. The sun is really bright. This is Pat Mills Turner Home and Trailer, and this truck's sitting back here against all odds. Good running 3.0 truck. He'll be in the run with your run class. Nice truck. Did a good job on this one. Showing all their secrets. I would talk to Lamar here from East Coast Diesel, but he's a fellow with few words. I get a smile out of him every now and then. Mr. Kenny Fernsler. He's very camera shy. Always camera shy. There's a Sudal pulling team rolling in. what you brung tonight. Whatever comments are made from here in the next couple of minutes, I'm not responsible for. So. This is the boot pulling team. Not that he's a hog farmer or anything. He likes to make bacon. There you go. What's the kid? Huh? Hold on a second. Black stripe addiction, Dennis boot. He's trying to get me to look at a truck over here. Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Red and black, black stripe.
I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I saw him when he come in. Yeah, you're right. Let's take a look at this semi here real quick. Yeah, that's pretty slick. I'd say they have a black stripe addiction for sure. Very nice. Yep, very nice. Definite black stripe addiction. And as you can see, all the tractors are black stripe as well. Good running tractors right here. Just a hobby, it's an addiction. Be sure to check out Eat Pulling Videos for videos from this event and many others. We post videos daily. Check us out on YouTube. anyway, that's our YouTube channel right there. EEPPULLING Videos. Check us out. It's free to subscribe. We got a live show every Wednesday night. We cover event finishes and upcoming events.